and today you're with me, Love Ponciano, from Terra Survival Workshops. Okay, so today we're gonna demo our SolarRev generator. This is the S1 version, the latest one. We've made some upgrades to it also, but I will show you the insides later. But for now, we'll show you what this can do. If you come closer, some of the features are it has a USB port over here. It has a voltage regulator. It has an auto sig outlet. This is like a positive negative port for battery connections and among other things. This is where we charge our solar panel. We connect our solar panel. This is also an auto sig outlet. And we have the main switch. We have here the charger controller switch, and we have the light switch. And we have here 1 watt eagle eye LED light. So if you total them, that's 3 watts. We just want to show you, like, in a scenario, for example, when there's brownout. Our main concern would definitely be lights, electric fan, so that we can sleep better at night, cell phone charging. Yun yung basic. So we'll show you the lights first. So this is a 5 watt bulb, LED bulb. So for this one, I'll show you where to put it. Okay. So we have here the positive and negative port. So we can just pull down and insert on one side and on the other. Yan. And if you have like a pole or something that you can hang it to, isabit mo lang dyan. Yan. And then the next one, baka sabihin nyo, ay, isa lang yung kaya. No. You can actually put more, but for now, we will use 2. Okay, you just pull it down, insert. Again, pull it down and insert. And here, we have another one. Yan, yan. So, if you wanna see how bright it is, you can just we'll turn off the lights later to show you. And what else, as I mentioned earlier, another concern is the cell phone charging. So here we have our cell phone wire, which we will plug in the USB port. It is over here, so we'll just plug it. And we have our cell phone, 37%, so we can plug it in. And if you look closer, you can see that it's charging. Yan. So later, balikan natin yan in a few minutes, and we'll see how much we've charged. Okay, so what is the next thing that I mentioned? Electric fan. So we have here one of the best portable electric fans that we've tested out of all of them. You can order this from Calriger.com, or it is one of our accessories. Wait, stop. Okay, next is our electric fan. Okay, so diba meron din tayong auto save plug, so we plug it in the outlet. We actually have 2, one here and one on the other side. So I'll just plug it. Okay, I'll show you. I'll plug it in here. And it has 2 modes. Ayan. That's the number 1. I'll show you like how strong it is. That's just the number 1. And this is the number 2. Yan, mas lumilipad yung hanky. Okay? And the good thing about it is that it's movable. So you have two people, then each one gets like their own fan. And you can even put it back to back, and you can even flip it like so. So what we like about this electric fan, it's very versatile, and also it comes with warranty. Not just 7 days warranty, but 6 months warranty. Yun. So unlike other portable fans out there that is kind of like disposable, this one is repairable. Okay. So you can take that out. But sometimes also, syempre, baka sabihin nyo, ay, maliit lang yung fan na kaya. Well, let's try a bigger fan. Okay. Put this on the side. And I give you, what we have here is a 12-volt solar fan. Why do we advise the 12-volt solar fan? Because this one doesn't consume much of your battery. And also, it's safer because it will not cause fire just in case, unlike your normal 220 electricity. So, like what we did before, this is our fan. Move it a little. Okay, this is our fan. We just have to put, again, the positive and negative in the plug. Okay, just pull down and plug in. Again, for the other side, pull down and plug in. Yon. And yes, as you can see, our fan is working very well. We can also adjust it there. And so that you can gauge how strong the fan is. There. And it's spinning also. Yan. Okay. And if you wanna know how high it is from the table, then it's up to you so far. And just to compare, this is like a knife. It's like almost this big. Yun. It's a box type desk fan. Then you can also put it on top of the table or wherever. So those are the basic things. What other things can you use? If we have this portable water warmer for coffee, or we can also plug it here in our auto sig plug, our outlet or port there. And also we have here, this is one of our latest products also, the lantern. I'll show you. This is the lantern. We can plug it again in the USB. So actually we have USB extension wherein you can plug several USB. But for now, since we don't have the port or the outlet, we'll just borrow a plug for a minute to show you. Okay, this one has 2 modes. This is the bright one, and we have the flame lantern. You can use this as night light actually. Yeah. Okay, we can just put this on the side. So as you can see, our SolarRev generator is very useful, handy, versatile, and actually even if it gets wet, you can just turn off the main switch and use a hair dryer to dry it, and then you can use it again. You just have to probably change some wires, and we make sure we put a fuse inside to protect your unit. Because we know you spent a lot for it, syempre gumastos kayo dito. So, kailangan worthwhile yung investment ninyo. Yun. So, for more information, and if you want to learn yourself how to make your own SolarRev generator, Okay, so if you want to learn how to make your own SolarRev generator, just make sure to click like in our FB page, Terra. Stop.
Ulit.
Okay, so if you guys want to learn how to make your own SolarRev generator, make sure to follow us at our Facebook page, Terra Tactics Survival Workshops. So that is Terra Tactics Survival Workshops. We'll be sure to put the link down below para padali na lang para sa inyo. Yun. Also, if you wanna see how big the unit is, there. This is a Samsung Edge. Almost 3 of that. Yeah, more or less. Yeah. So, without further ado, if you have any more questions, just send it us on our Facebook page or comment down below, and we'll make sure to try and answer them the best we can. Okay, so until next time, again, this is Love from Tactics Survival Workshops. See you!